You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Korean rapper, singer, songwriter from South Korea. If you want to learn more pronunciations of music celebrities, including from Korean, stay tuned. Korean pronunciation: Jung Jae-won. Jung Jae-won. So in English you would say it as Jung Jae-won. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.